Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix lag and packet burst issues in Call of Duty, Black Ops 7. If you are playing on PC, start by resetting your network connection. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh-winsock reset and press Enter again. When both commands are done, restart your PC. This helps clear the network cache and fix connection conflicts. Next, make sure the game is installed on a solid-state drive. If the game is on a hard drive, loading data can cause stutters and packet bursts. Moving the game to an SSD improves loading speed and overall stability. Now move to the in-game settings. Open Graphics or Network Settings and find On-Demand Texture Streaming. Set it to minimal or turn it off completely. This prevents the game from downloading textures while you're playing, which can cause lag spikes. After changing graphics settings, restart the shaders. Go to the shader or graphics section and reload shaders. Wait until the process finishes before starting a match. This helps avoid performance issues during gameplay. If you're playing on console, try disabling crossplay from the account or network settings. This can reduce server load and connection issues. On PC, crossplay cannot be disabled, so skip this step. Finally, check your CPU and GPU usage. If your CPU usage is very high, a packet burst is more likely to happen. Lower graphics settings like shadows, effects, and resolution. This reduces system load and makes the connection more stable. Thanks for watching.